Kabbalah is an ancient Jewish mystical tradition that offers profound insights into the human soul, divine creation, and our inner journey. While it may seem esoteric, Kabbalah provides a powerful spiritual framework for healing and reparenting our inner child. At the core of Kabbalah is the Tree of Life, a symbolic map of consciousness made up of 10 spheres or sephirot. Each sphere represents a different aspect of divine energy, and understanding them can help us recognize our inner wounds and the areas where we need healing. In Reparenting, the sephirot offer us a mirror for our personal development. For example, chesed, loving-kindness, and gevura, boundaries, are two essential traits we often need to relearn when healing from childhood neglect or trauma. Kabbalah teaches that the soul is always striving to reunite with the divine source. Similarly, reparenting is about reuniting with our authentic self, the part of us that was never wounded, the part that knows how to love and be loved. One of the most healing concepts in Kabbalah is Tikkun, meaning repair. According to Kabbalistic wisdom, we are here to repair the brokenness within and around us. Reparenting is a form of Tikkun, restoring what was fractured in childhood with awareness and love. Kabbalists emphasize that light enters through broken vessels. This metaphor reminds us that our deepest pain can become the source of our greatest wisdom. Reparenting helps us transform childhood wounds into sources of compassion and strength. Another key concept is Shevirat HaKelim, the shattering of the vessels, which represents how divine energy, when not properly contained, can create chaos. This mirrors how trauma overwhelms our young nervous systems. Reparenting helps rebuild the container. Kabbalistic meditation and sacred texts encourage inner listening and divine connection. These practices support the stillness and reflection we need to reparent ourselves with patience, grace, and divine guidance. In essence, Kabbalah reminds us that healing is not only personal, it's sacred. Reparenting becomes a spiritual act, aligning us with our divine purpose and reconnecting us to the greater whole. When we combine Kabbalistic wisdom with reparenting, we reclaim our wholeness. We become our own loving guide, slowly transforming pain into purpose, fulfilling the sacred task of becoming who we truly are. To learn more about Reparenting Daily, check out the website and the 3 podcasts below.